In this video, I am discussing 5 string programs. Those are previously in exercise of this book, but current session book is not holding these 5 questions. I don't know why they delete these questions, but I think these questions may be helpful for you. Maybe a few concepts. Let's start with the first program. The first program is write a program in Java to accept a string in uppercase and find the frequency of each vowel present in the string. Sample input rainwater harvesting organized by Jusco. Frequency of A is 4 times, E is 3 times, frequency of I is 3 times, O is 2 times, U is 1 times. So first we have to accept a string, then find the length, then extract each character from the string, then check the character is A, then A counter plus plus, the character is E, then E counter, then character is I, then I counter plus plus, the character is O, then O counter plus plus, character is U, then U counter plus plus, and finally print the 5 statements. So that is the program. And the program input store the user value, ch stores the each characters, then find the length, a count equals 0, that is a character counter, that is E character counter, O character counter, I character counter, and U character counter. All is set to 0. Enter string uppercase, use stream function, input dot to uppercase for confirmation, len equals input dot length. Then for I equals 0, I less than len, extract each character. Now check the character is A or E or O or I or U, depends, and count I plus plus, E count plus plus, O count plus plus, I count and U count. After termination of for loop, just print 5 statements. If the character is present, it will print frequency of A is something, frequency of E is something. Now check, that is the program. Now check the program is running properly or not. Okay, then the rain water harvesting organized by Jusco. So the answer match 43321. So what's the complete code again? So that is the complete code and already output is shown. Next, move to the next question. That is, write a program to input a string, print the new string after converting every alternate letter to uppercase and the next immediate letter to lowercase. The special characters remain the same. Delhi Public School, the first letter of each word is capital, but now output is one is capital, one smaller, one is capital, one smaller, one is capital, one smaller, and special characters and digits, if there is digits, all remaining same. So what I did here, accept a string and I use character counters. So just one character, just odd positions letters will be in uppercase, even positions letters will be in lowercase. The concept I used in my program. See the code, input value, output store the final value, ch len, pause equals 1, pause holds the letter position, letters odd positions or even position, looks like the D is odd position, E is even, L is odd, H is even, I is odd, P is even. It is not about index, it is the letter position. If you set there is no space, no uppercase letter, then see 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. So all even positions will be treated as uppercase and even positions, all odd positions treated as uppercase and even position treated as lowercase. So first ch, I got D, okay. Then as D is a letter and the value of PO is set to 1, so obviously it is a odd position. So that means sorry, so convert the character into uppercase D and POS increases to 2 and the output is D. Okay, next character is E. So E is a letter and it is the even position. So if part not executed, else part executed. So E remains the same and E stores like this. Next character I get L and it is a letter and position is a odd, then L will be converted to uppercase, then L store capital L. Finally H, that is even position, so else part is activated, then H will be in small. I, odd position character, I uppercase and stores the uppercase character. Finally space, if part not executed, then the output is already stored Delhi, then it is added with a space. So this output also updated. Now next character is P. So P is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 position. That means it is a lowercase character position. So it will go here and the next character stores P this location. Next time U uppercase, it will use this part and right here will uppercase. So this process go on. After termination of for loop, final print the value. So let's use the value and check the program works properly or not. So the output is Delhi Public School. Now if you use mixed cases like Delhi Public SCHOOL, let's see. The mixed case doesn't matter, every character, first character is, that is even position of letter uppercase, sorry, odd position is letter is uppercase, even position is letter is small case, other parts remaining same. Move to the next question, that is write a program to input a string and print the character which occurs the maximum number of times within the string. James Gosling developed Java. The character with number of maximum number of times is E. So in this program, this is the same as the ASCII ascending order program. That's the ascending order program already in the first part of the video. So here I use first int, first for loop, that is starts with 65, that is the ASCII value of capital A, less than equals 90, that is a capital Z ASCII value. Inside of the for loop, I extract each character and check the character, that means the value of M or M plus 32, that means a small case, both match with the entire string any letter or not. So in case the value of M is 65, that is capital A, and check how many A are there. When the for loop executed, it extract each character, that is J, A, M, E, S, and count, if part counts 65 or 97, that is capital A, that is small a. So this part is executed, this part and this part, so the counter will be 3. When the value of M is 65, the counter will be 3. Now 0 greater than 3, 0 less than 3, yes, then ch1 holds the capital A and max holds the 3 and count will be 0. Next time M holds 66, that is B. So check using the for loop, check 66 or 98, that is B, is present in the string. Answer is no. So if part not executed, move to C. Now check C is present. Answer is no. Finally it moves to D. When the value of I is 68, 5 6 7 8, yes. C uses these parts and finally got that location, that is D, and another D, then the counter will be 2. So the condition is previous max counter is 3, present count equal 2. So that part will be false, and if part not executed, count will be 0. Next, the character is, the value of M is 69, that is the ASCII value of E. Then this for loop counts how many E present in the string. So the answer is 4. Last counter's max is 3, present value of count is 4. So this part is true. ch1 holds the character E and max holds the number of times, that is 4. Count will be 0. This process goes capital A to Z, small a to Z, that means total 26 times the M loop goes. Finally, after ending of this for loop, I print two statements, the later having number of times ch1, and this part is extra. If you need, you can print, it depends on you. So the output will be check the later having maximum number of times E and the number of times later present, that is 4. So that is the complete code. Just check. That is the first part and that is the last part. Okay, move to the next program. That is, a computer typist has a habit to delete the middle name Kumar while entering the names containing 3 words. Write a program to enter a name with 3 words and display the new word after deleting the middle name Kumar. So the string is Ashish Kumar Nehra and the output is Ashish Nehra. So what we have to do, I just find this space location and this space location and use substring to separate this first name and this surname. Finally joint first name with surname. So in this section we don't need any loop. Okay, so that is the program. I use words means multiple words. So it is enter name. In the question there is accept a 3-letter word, but with this code you can use multiple words. If you use 10-letter words, same answer. If you use 20-letter words, same answer. If you use 30-letter word, it will give you the same answer. Okay, so now what store Ashish Kumar Nehra. So f space, I use f space equals word dot index of space. So this function generally goes finds the space location, first occurrence of space. So that is the first occurrence space, that is the location of 6, means index I, index equals 6, and I use L space equals word dot last index of space. So this function generally uses the character function from the last index, that means from this side. So the index is 12. So what I did here, words dot substring 0 comma space f space. So I write 0 comma 6. So 0 comma 6 means, in general 6 means substring uses, when substring uses two integer numbers, then it starts with the first index and moves to the second last index previous one. That means it goes to the 5th location. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then Ashish will be stored into this part. Okay, Ashish will be stored in P1. and now I have to extract Nehra. So Nehra means here I pass substring L space plus 1. L space value is 12, and if I use 12 then value will be space Nehra. So I just want to store Nehra, so that means the n location is 13. So I use L space plus 1. So starting location is Nehra. So Nehra is stored into P2. Finally P1 space P2. The output will be this. So check the output. That is the Ashish Kumar Nehra, output Ashish Nehra. And if you use multiple letters, multiple words, the output will be same. Looks like Ashish Nehra space Nehra space Nehra. So the answer is still will be all these words will be deleted. Answer will be still Ashish Nehra. Output Ashish Nehra. That is I find this space with F space and this space with L space. Finally use substring to separate this part and this part. So the finally join P1 space P2. So the answer is easy for this program. The last one. The question is, a non-palindrome word can be made a palindrome word just by adding the reverse of the word to the original word. Write a program to accept a non-palindrome word and display the new word after making it a palindrome. It is same kind of my previous videos in reverse video actually, kind of. So this topic is already discussed, but I use a simple topic, just input to store input, reverse variable to store the reverse value, ch extract each character, length to store the length of the word, enter word len equals I equals I less than length, ch extract each character. So if I accept a word like ICSE, then first time ch holds I and rev print I plus null. Okay, then I use just I. Next time when I location is 1, when the value of I is 1, then ch gets the c, then ch plus rev holds the I and c store previous part, then the ch is holds s, print s with the new value, finally e, then e is the ch value and sci is the rev value. So finally these two part, the value of rev is esci and input equals ICSE. Now joint ICSE plus esci. So the final word will be in the output section. Now check, palindrome word is ICESCI. So these 5 programs, I don't know why other publication company delete these 5 programs from these current session books. So I think maybe these programs will be help you. Then I discussed them. Now wait for the next few videos where I discussed the exact current session, that is 2020 or 2021 editions book. I think there are 24 programs in your syllabus. All I discussed in the next video. So stay tuned, wait for the video. Bye bye.